everybody, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great in your life and you are enjoying your life so peacefully, so beautifully, and your life itself treating you peacefully. Well, my name is Anjali Karki and you're watching English vlog with Anjali. So it's holiday today and we are happy, but Anubha is happier than me as it's holiday. And today I have to share something with you. I have been getting hiccups since morning, and I don't know how much is it true or wrong, but we believe that whenever we get hiccups, that means someone is missing us badly, missing us strongly, missing us hardly. Actually, we are Pahadi, and we Pahadi are so simple, so innocent. So we believe in such kind of gossips. So since morning I have been getting hiccups, and as I called my mother name, as I said my mother name, my hiccup stopped. And sometimes it really works. So it's a beautiful, sweet and true emotion, isn't it? But what could be the another reason? Do you have any idea? Let me tell you. There are many reasons getting hiccups. When you drink carbonated drinks, and if we eat so fast, so too fast, and if we talk during eating. So these are some causes getting hiccups. But we are Pahari, as I told you, we are so simple. We believe that in this type of gossip that when we get hiccup, that means someone is missing us. And if you call, if you take someone's name and your hiccups stopped, that means it's confirmed someone is missing you. So yes, it's a very happy day for us. Let's have a weather update. Just look at the sky. Isn't it so beautiful? Let me show you from that side. The weather is so fine today as comparison of other days. I really relish this kind of weather. It's totally perfect as I want on this day. It's holiday, and if it would have been raining, so it would not feel good, but it's fine today. So yes, we can enjoy this weather, and we are here to enjoy the authenticity of winter sun. Anu, don't play with that dust. Come here. No, I said come here. Come with me. So come. And I have to get her nail cut because her nails are so scrawny, cunning, and she is taking full advantage of her long nails just to scratch me. And yes guys, it's Guru Purnima today also, so I would love to wish you a happy Guru Purnima. Actually, Guru, teacher, and our mistakes, they are also teacher, aren't they? Yes, they are also teacher because they make us learn so many things. Actually, we learn through our mistakes, don't we? So yes, very first I would love to wish a very happy Guru Purnima to all the amazing teachers out there, and our mother. She is the first teacher of our life, who teaches us how to walk, how to talk, and how to deal with the people. Didn't she? So I would love to wish happy Guru Purnima to all the amazing mother out there, all the amazing, incredible mother out there. Actually, life is nothing without mother. So mother is the first teacher, is the greatest teacher in our life, in everybody's life. I have composed a poem for my mother. Not only for my mother, this poem I'm gonna dedicate to all the amazing mother, all the incredible mother, because they sacrifice their whole life, their entire life just to raise their kids, just to look after us. And we are also doing, aren't we? So we should celebrate this day just for ourselves, just for our teachers, and just for our amazing mothers. Shouldn't we? So let us have a look of today's beautiful, amazing, and elegant weather. Come on, let's enjoy together. Let's deep dive with this beautiful nature's beauty. Let me know, did you enjoy this beautiful weather clip? I know you enjoyed it so much. Someone is burning something. It seems like burning grass, dry grass and dry bushes. I mean, they are cleaning the field. It feels. Today I am strongly longing to enjoy weather, to observe everything from here. But how can I do? If she is with me, I cannot dive into the nature if she is with me, because she never let me do anything whenever I want to do anything. Anu, what is this? What is this? I have to cut your nail. I know dhaga. That is dhaga. What do we call dhaga, by the way? Thread. Come here. Thread or thread? Okay, come here. What is this? Come. Look at me, Anu. Anu, come here. Okay, I'm going. So what is this? Huh? It's not clip, it's not chimti, it's nail cutter. And I have to get your nail cut. Just come here and show me. Just look at her nails, guys. Actually, I am responsible for this. And I should cut properly, right? It's not a good habit. Anu, please don't do like that. Let the bucket be right there, please. You come here. Anu, what I said, let the bucket be right there. Go. Keep it there. I said go. Come here. Who is here? Anu, you may get hurt. Please sit down. She is in fun mood today. She want to. These days my daughter is being so chatty, so talkative. But whenever she goes out of the room, whenever she goes to school, she never talks to the people. I don't know why she does this. You have to dance, so you can. Who is trying to resist you? No one. You can dance, you can enjoy, you can run, you can sing. Which song? May I sing for you? May I sing a song for you? Which one? Which song? He is longing to dance. Are you longing to dance? On which song? Savari or something else? Savari. Which is your favorite song? Gadi wala? Which one is that? I actually don't know about that song. Gulabi Sarara? Okay, Ramdai Ka Hotela. It's your favorite song? Actually, the lyrics are so beautiful of this song. And she enjoyed dancing on this song. But I enjoy so much when you are on my lap. What happened? Stand here. Okay, stand here. Stand here, please. Be careful. Okay, dance, so that my family can also enjoy. What kind of steps these are? What is that? What is that? What? Cloud? Yes, that's so beautiful. Okay. You know what, guys? She's saying I feel like there is an image of lion hidden behind the clouds. Yes, yes, there are two towers. No, there are two towers, one and two. And where is another one? Where is another one? First, tell me. Okay. Carefully. Don't run like this, please. Whenever I, take her on roof, I get so petrified because she runs so fast. No, Anu, please come here. Anu. Sometimes I feel like we are also child and we should keep our inner child alive just to enjoy our life. Whenever I come on roof, so as I told you, I get really petrified because she run so carelessly here and there. And I'm also petrified of monkeys. I'm very scared of monkeys because they're always ready to pounce on you. So whenever I come on roof, I make sure that I have to look everywhere. I have to have a look to everywhere to see if there are monkeys. So yeah, I will go. I will keep in. I will keep sitting in room, and if no monkeys are there, then without getting petrified, we just come on roof. So guys, let's end today's vlog because I have to get right all the pulses today, all the clothes and so many things. So yes, I have a lot of work, a heap of work today to do. So let's enjoy this vlog. Hope you have enjoyed this video, this vlog. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much for spending time with us. Bye bye.